How do I check the PPC cost or keyword price on Amazon? The easiest way for you to do so, it would be find that group of 5 to max 10 keywords. I would say even 5 keywords that are highly relevant to your product. Start adding them, each of them, into its own exact match campaign, and then see the CPC cost, what is going to be. So if your cost per click for those products, you're going to know it, then you would have a better idea to understand, okay, so should I be bidding right away for 5 keywords? Maybe I have budget only for 2 keywords, for 5 keywords, for 10 keywords even. You're going to budget for all the 10 keywords and you're going to aim to rank for it. Most of the time, I say the best practice is that have the 5 keywords and then start with 2, see what is the CPC cost, and then add one more, and then see which one works better. So this is on the efficiency side. If you want to, as quick as possible, find out the information, just run all the 5 keywords in separate campaigns in exact match, and then you will have also a better understanding which of the keywords are working best, which one should you invest in right away, and then which ones are not anymore so relevant and I maybe should be looking for other keywords.